What's happening, y'all? I told y'all I was going to change the name of the channel, so I've done just that. So after giving it some thought and checking out some of the names that people have sent in to me, I have narrowed it down to this name, which is Third Eye Visions. Now, I'll tell you later on what that actually means, but for now, as I change up everything on my channel, just know that that's the name of the channel, no longer the Parker Daniels Show. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me all the way up until this time, so just bear with me. Let me get everything going. And in the meantime, let's check out a video that was sent in from a young lady by the name of Bama Blind. Of course, she's blind, and this video is entitled Cleaning by Touch. So let's check it out, see how she cleans her house by touch, because yes, we do clean our house as well. So with that being said, y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, follow in that order.
Hi everybody, it's Beverly at Bama Blind. Welcome to my channel. I'm taking a quick video because I am in my supersonic cleaning mode. I'm facing right now my back doorway that goes outside, but I'm not in my house, I'm in the apartment. My apartment goes over my 3-car garage, and I'm going to pan around for anybody that can see. It is a wreck. It's got clothing, that coats and things that I have stored up here all year I've got to take downstairs, but yet, and they're hanging across this rocking chair, and the rocking chair's got clean linen inside of a bag. And let's see what else. I got hangers on that. I've got 2 love seats that are askewed because I'm going to bring a single mattress up here. We're having company. They're my cousin, her husband, and her husband's brother. And her husband's brother is going to be running a marathon. I've never met him, but they're all 3 going to stay up here. So I'll have a single mattress that I'll put up here. But I just wanted to show, it's so frustrating. I've got to vacuum all of these hardwood floors and I can't see. So I'm bumping into this table. This is just a breakfast table. It's set up for 2. Now I got to set it up for 3. Over on the other side are curtains, and I've taken away most of the stuff and shoved it into one of the closets. I'm rocking out with my Alexa and loud music. And this is the kitchen over here. I don't have to do too much over here except for feel around, and you know, it's so time consuming when you have to touch everything and feel everything to clean it. So I've got 2 coffee makers here. I've got to put one in the pantry, which is an old kind of coffee maker that uses filters, and then I got another Keurig that I'm going to set up for them with pods and stuff. And I've got a microwave, and this is a stove. It's basically a brand spanking new stove. I've got the sink is over here, and I got to make sure that the windows, I always reach out and touch the window to make sure it doesn't have like dust, and it feels pretty clean. And that overlooks the backyard to my house where the fountain is in the courtyard. So I kind of set it up that way. And then here's a bathroom in here, which is the only bathroom for the apartment, but it's certainly big enough. It's got the toilet right when you walk in the door. On the left, straight ahead, is a vanity, and then this huge shower over here. So I've got to do all of the, well, you can't see in there now, but it's all subway tile, and it's a huge shower, and everything in here is white, and I've got accents of blue. But anyway, I've got to make sure there are clean towels in here. I've got to make sure there's plenty of tissue. I've got to make sure there is hand soap and body wash, and there are already some shampoo things. There's a hair dryer over there on the other side. So all these things I get to do by touch, and it is very time consuming, but I'm going to show you the finished product when I get done. I basically have taken everything up here, and it's all hodgepodge leftover things that have been accumulated over the years. That antique mirror right there came out of my daughter's grandparents' house. And the chandelier up here, which you wouldn't, it's just a light fixture, but it's nice and vintage 1940s. And it came from the house next door when we demolished and gutted that. And the ceiling fans and light fixtures in here came from our house inside. And the ceiling is, it's really pretty because the roof line of this apartment is vaulted. So the ceiling has got beams that actually vault up, if you can imagine that, but it's all wrapped in white sheetrock and painted. So you got white walls and then hardwood floor. And then the last part of it's a 1-bedroom apartment. It's approximately 1,000 square feet, so it's pretty huge. This is the bedroom, the only bedroom, and it's, other than me dusting, the linens and everything are on the bed, they're clean. The closet here is ready for somebody to put lights in the closet, but it's ready for somebody to bring a suitcase or hang their stuff. Over here in the other closet, and see here I am touching, you can see my hand. I mean, here we go. Now I'm going to turn on this light. I work so slowly because, okay, there's a plant. Oh, those are pretty. They're gold sunflowers, and they go with the curtains, which have got browns and golds, stripes, and almond colored and green. But there's a washer and dryer in this closet. So whoever comes up here, it's my Airbnb. There's a nice washer and dryer in there, fully working. I think I'll leave these closet doors open because for me that sheds light in the rest of this room. So there it is, and that's what I'm going to be doing for the next 6 hours. Blind cleaning. It helps to have my black coffee. I've already had breakfast early, and it helps for me to be rocking out with the Beatles. So I will show you the end result when I get done with it, just to show that yes, a blind person can clean. It's very systematic, but it can be done. So talk to you later, everybody. Bye-bye.